Chapter 2021. It's all about cars. Introduction. So, viewers, I'm back with another video. It's a car review video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. So, let's start with today's video. And I hope you like the premiere. MG Astor. About the car. MG Motors have officially taken the covers of Astor SUV, its fifth product for the Indian market. 2021 MG Astor SUV, which is technically the ICE version of the ZS EV, has been unevenly loaded with advanced features such as ADAS. The exterior design of the MG Astor SUV remains quite similar to the ZS EV. Even the dimensions are not too different. The Astor SUV the Astor SUV is 4,323 mm in length, 1,809 mm in width, 1,653 mm in height, and the wheelbase of 2580 mm, which houses 17-inch dual tone alloy wheels. However, the major change can be noticed on the hexagonal grille, which gets a unique pattern. The grille is flanked on either side by LED headlamps and projectors set up and LED DRLs, doubling up as turn indicators as well as the LED tail lamps at the rear. There is not much change on the side profile except the chrome lining on the windows and the blacked out B pillar. The interior of the MG Astor gets a two-tone color theme. It comes with a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.1-inch infotainment system compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, heated ORVMs, electric parking brake, rear AC vents, rain sensing wipers, digital key, connected car tech, and much more. Under the hood, MG will offer two engine options for the Astor SUV. There is a Brit Dynamic 220 turbo petrol engine capable of producing 140 PS of power and 220 Nm of peak torque. It is mated to a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The other one is the VTI Tech petrol engine mated to a manual transmission or an 8-speed CVT unit capable of churning out 110 PS of power and 144 Nm of peak torque. What will make the Astor stand out against its rivals like Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, or Tata Harrier is some of the advanced driving technology it is packed with. The Astor will offer industry first personal AI assistant system and first in segment autonomous level 2 technology. MG Motors said, "We have introduced several industry firsts with our SUVs to the Indian automotive market. This time we have autonomous level 2 MG Astor with the personal AI assistant. With its elegant exteriors, luxurious interiors, and futuristic technology, we believe that Astor is a desirable package that will strike a chord with the customers." The personal AI assistant system is similar to what the Apple Siri or Amazon Alexa does. It can listen to voice commands and perform tasks such as playing music, making or receiving calls, texting, etc. This is a picture of the MG Astor SUV. The autonomous level 2 technology includes ADAS, that is, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, functions which will carry out several emergency safety measures like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure prevention, and speed assist. The Astor also gets industry first feature of reserving a parking slot through a head unit. It is powered by Park Plus and will go live in select cities for a start. Astor also gets 80 plus internet features residing on MGI smart technology. MG Astor also hosts subscriptions and services including maps and navigation with Map My India, geo connectivity, the first of its kind blockchain protected vehicle digital passport by CoinArt and more. MG Astor is expected to be launched this festive season. Thank you. So, viewers, hope you liked this video and the car. This is just some information about the new car. There will be a detailed video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel to not miss any interesting videos in future. See you in the next video.